Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Windows installation or update is failing with error code 0x80070643, it typically points to a corrupted .NET framework, stalled update services, or system file damage. I will show you exactly how to reset these components and resolve this update error right now. Let's get started. First, clearing the downloaded update cache forces Windows to fetch fresh, uncorrupted installation files. Open your Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type net stop WUAUSERV and net stop bits, pressing Enter after each, to halt the update services. Navigate to C:/Windows/SoftwareDistribution in File Explorer, delete all contents, and restart the services using net start. Next, you must repair any underlying core system file corruption that is actively blocking the installation. Return to your elevated command prompt window to run the built-in system diagnostic tools. Type SFC /Scannow and press Enter to initiate the system file verification and repair process. Once completed, type DISM /online /cleanup-image /restorehealth and press Enter to repair the Windows image. Finally, because this specific error is frequently tied to framework corruption, repairing .NET is essential. Download the official .NET Framework Repair tool directly from the Microsoft website and launch it. Follow the on-screen prompts to allow the utility to automatically detect and fix framework integration issues. Restart your computer completely to apply all configuration changes before attempting the Windows update again. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.